Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today I'll show you how to create a shortcut for Google Hangouts on your desktop, making it easier to start conversation with just one click. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more tech advice. Alright, first of all open your browser, and here I'm gonna open my Chrome browser. And now normally you have to type on the address bar hangouts.google.com. Press enter, and then normally you have to click on the top right corner three dot icon, and if you hover over cast, save and share, you will see another option, create shortcut. Normally click on that and click on create button, and now it will automatically create a chat shortcut, and every time if you click on this it will redirect you to Google Hangouts. And that's it. Now you have a Google Hangouts shortcut ready to go, saving you time and hassle. If this tip proves helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX for more straightforward tech tutorials. Allah Hafiz.